So this is the Brew Express BEC 110. I'm getting the dreaded quadruple E error. I've already posted one video on replacing the solenoid valve, which is very unlikely. The more likely problem is that you need to flush the line out. You need some way to push some either lemon juice or vinegar through the line. I use this syringe and tube, long skinny Phillips, T20 Torx bit, and some sort of a little container. That's all you need. It goes pretty quick. Need to remove 7 Phillips screws and 1 Torx screw. That's the T20 right there from the backside. And you need to remove 2 Phillips from the front side. The back should come off and the electric plug should come with it. Loosen up that spring clip hose clamp and take that off. That's where we're going to put the lemon juice or vinegar. So fill your syringe with lemon juice or vinegar, and we've got another container here. We're going to try and catch as much of it as we can. And flush it through a few times. My quadruple E error must not have been because of a clogged line, because it went through so easily. Last time it was totally blocked. So just put it back together the same way you found it, rinse it with clear water, and good luck.